James Charles Dickinson is an American internet personality, beauty YouTuber and makeup artist. While working as a local makeup artist in his hometown of Bethlehem, New York, he launched his self-titled YouTube channel, posting makeup tutorials. In 2016, he became the first male ambassador for CoverGirl after a tweet featuring his makeup went viral online. Since starting his YouTube channel, Charles has amassed over 25 million subscribers as of January 2021. In 2020, he worked as the host, director, and co-producer of the YouTube Originals reality competition series Instant Influencer. He has received numerous awards for his work on social media, including 2 People's Choice Awards, 2 Streamy Awards, 1 Shorty Award, and 1 Teen Choice Award. Charles was born on May 23, 1999 in Bethlehem, New York to parents Christine and Skip Dickinson, a contractor, with 1 younger brother, Ian Jeffrey. He attended Bethlehem Central High School, where he graduated in 2017. Describing his high school experience, he stated, "I did get bullied a lot in high school and personally, I just ignored it." Charles first ventured into beauty as an amateur hairstylist and started doing makeup after being asked by a friend to do her makeup for a school dance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.